wrong with sharing your vision, but I think it is something wrong with sharing your vision prematurely, like before you get everything up and going and manifesting itself, because the enemy is real. And sometimes you can share your things with people that you might think is friends, and everybody isn't your friend. Everybody that greets you or pats you on the back isn't your friend. I mean, there is an old proverb that says the kiss of the enemy is deceitful. So the enemy is going to kiss you when he greets you. He ain't going to talk stuff and discourage you. You know what I mean? If you do that, then you ain't going to let him in. So what I would say is, when you got your vision, work on it. Make it manifest. Turn it into a reality. You know what I mean? Make them see what you're doing, and then start saying something about it. But while you're working on it, just work on it. And once you get it to where you want to get it to, then you can say something. But before then, I think the enemy can creep in and kind of kill your flames. So just keep that in mind, man, when you are building your brand, your vision. Hold on.